Today I'm going to teach you how to remove the Mailchimp logo on Embed forms. If you're looking to create a cleaner, more branded look for your forms without the Mailchimp branding, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do that. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account by clicking the Sign In button and entering your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your Mailchimp dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll find an option labeled Forms. Click on Forms to open up your form management area. At this point, you have two choices. You can either select an existing form that you'd like to edit, or if you're starting fresh, click on Create New and choose Embedded Form from the options presented. This flexibility allows you to modify current forms or build new ones from scratch. If you're creating a new form, you'll be prompted to enter a form name. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this form later. Next, you'll need to select your audience from the drop-down selection field. This ensures your form is connected to the right email list. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to Builder. This takes you into the form editing interface where you can customize every aspect of your form's appearance and functionality. Now here's where we get to the heart of removing that Mailchimp logo. Look at the left side menu within the builder. You'll notice an option named Referral Badge. This is the setting that controls whether the Mailchimp logo appears on your form. Go ahead and click on Referral Badge to access its settings. Under the Referral Badge settings, you'll see a toggle button labeled Show Referral Badge. This simple switch is what enables or disables the Mailchimp logo on your forms. Click on this toggle button to turn it off. When the toggle is switched off, the Mailchimp logo will no longer appear on your embedded form, giving you a cleaner, more professional look that's fully aligned with your brand identity. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Mailchimp logo from your embed forms, creating a more polished and branded experience for your website visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.